So guys, cardio versus strength training, which burns the most calories? Now this is a real common question. People always seem to ask this question, and I don't think we should be too bothered. I don't think we should be comparing the two in terms of calorie expenditure. Two different types of training, and both of them have their benefits. There's a lot of crossover with the benefits as well, and the amount of cardio and strength training that you do in your personal training program is going to be dependent on a lot of different things. How much time you have, what your stress levels are, what your nutrition's like. And I don't think we should look at it as a sort of pick one or the other type thing, especially when it comes to calorie burning. Now, if we looked at calories burnt per hour, then say cardio would probably trump strength training in terms of calories burned per hour. Running for 1 hour would probably burn more calories than 1 hour doing a strength training session. Does that mean you should pick running over strength training? Absolutely not. Strength training has some benefits that cardio simply can't give you. It forces your body to adapt. It has a positive impact on your metabolism and your hormonal profile. And on the other side, cardio is very beneficial and can provide some benefits that strength training can't. So don't look at it as cardio versus strength training. If you're doing strength training properly, then that will have a cardio effect as well. But you're going to have to find the sweet spot, what works for you. What I would say is that if the majority of people I work with are time poor, so I prioritize resistance training for the simple fact is you can get a lot done in a short space of time. It has a positive impact on people's hormones, it has a positive impact on people's metabolism, and it's doable. Now, if I have someone who absolutely hates going to the gym and doesn't seem to like strength training, then I'd probably lean them more towards cardio, simply because they'd enjoy that a little bit more. Now, you need to pick something that's going to challenge you, of course, but if you absolutely hate it, then there's no point doing it. You have to pick something that you enjoy and that you can make part of your daily and weekly routine. So that will change from person to person. Some people really enjoy going out for a run, and some people love smashing it out in the gym. It just really depends on that individual. We should never look at cardio versus weight training. You know, they're two different things, but there's a lot of crossover in the benefits that they provide to the body and the mind, and we should use them both. The amounts that we use them in will vary from person to person, and it will change accordingly to your time availability, to your stress levels, and to what your nutrition's like. So don't pick one or the other, integrate, try and use both in different amounts, and it takes a bit of time to get used to and to find the sweet spot what works for you. But if you need any help with your training or nutrition, just give me a shout and I'll be happy to help. Speak soon, guys.